Jake. That was a Jake. That's the top. Yeah. Yeah. That one walked right by you at 10 yards.
It just blocked me right out.
What's that?
All that shit blocked me out. I couldn't see him.
He walked right. He was yelping.
I could hear him. But I couldn't move my head because I thought he was like right there.
He was.
I couldn't move it.
That's freaking awesome. He just snuck out.
Yeah.
He was gonna beat that Jake up.
Yeah, he didn't make it there.
Oh
shit. I got all the time in the world now. He's right in front of me. You see that cover? It's perfect cover. That's why he walked by us, and I think he goosed. He didn't like something, and then he popped back. I got a little chilly.
yeah.
That's the latest roost I've ever had. I'm pretty sure those guys goofed it up big time. He's a big bird, bud. Look at that beard. Yeah, he's a big bird. That's a big spur right there, brother. Goodness gracious, bud. Mr. Boo Boo. Bubba. You shot Bubba. Yeah, that's a big spur. I'm gonna start charging you. Well, he broke this one off. He did break it off? This one's broke. Well, it's still. That one's not. Dude, that's a nice bird. He came in right on that. Jake worked.
Yes.
He circled right in that little open. He said, "What? Fool." Look at that beard, bud. That's a 12-inch beard. Look at the spur. It's like this one broke off and it was growing back. That's a...
It's a big bird.
I knew when I heard him, I was like, that's the big one.
You definitely knew what you were doing out here.
Now it's raining and it's cold. You didn't believe me, did you? Well, guys, we got stuck inside the big old shed because it just started raining right after we shot this bird. They came off the roost, what was it, about 7:30?
About 7:30.
We, craziest thing ever, latest roost I ever been on, and really big bird. He's got some probably, one spur is probably over a inch and a half. But we had a guy on the neighboring farm started calling like crazy with his box call. And where he was at, I think the birds could see him. And they just stayed put. He would gobble a little bit here and there, but just was kind of thought we were out of luck. But next you know it, saw a head fly over, and then another, and then the Jake came through. And we actually, this bird walked by Jason at about 10 yards, and he moved to his left a little bit and then walked outside the woods. Well, Jason was looking at a Jake, which he thought was a Tom, and this guy sneaks out and starts beating up our decoy. And unfortunately for him, he was in gun range. So, there you go, bud. Your first day and last day of your vacation. Well, a real pretty bird. He had a real raspy gobble. And this is actually the same spot where, or same setup where we, Doug shot his bird. But, it was definitely a great year. There you go. Mr. Quiet.
Thank you.